Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share my in-depth experience with the Devialet Phantom I 103dB high-fidelity wireless speaker in light chrome. After spending several weeks with this remarkable piece of audio engineering, I have a lot to say about its performance, design, and overall value. Design and build quality. Right out of the box, the Phantom I 103dB makes a bold statement. Its unique, spherical design with polished stainless steel sides isn't just for aesthetics, it's a functional choice aimed at enhancing acoustic performance. The build quality is exceptional, with a solid feel that exudes luxury and durability. At approximately 11.4 kilograms 25 pounds, it's hefty, but that weight contributes to its stability and sound quality. Setup and connectivity. Setting up the Phantom I was straightforward. Using the Devialet app, I connected the speaker to my Wi-Fi network and updated the firmware without any issues. The app also allows for customization of settings and integration with streaming services. The speaker supports a wide range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, Bluetooth 5.0, AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, UPnP, and an optical input. This versatility ensures compatibility with various devices and streaming platforms. Sound performance. Now, let's talk about the most critical aspect, sound quality. The Phantom I delivers an impressive 103 dB SPL, and the clarity is nothing short of extraordinary. The bass is deep and powerful, thanks to Devialet's Heart Bass Implosion registered HBI registered technology, which allows the speaker to reproduce frequencies as low as 16 Hz. The mids and highs are crisp and detailed, providing a balanced and immersive listening experience. One of the standout features is the speaker's ability to maintain clarity and precision even at high volumes. There's no distortion, and the sound remains consistent across different genres of music. Whether you're listening to classical, jazz, rock, or electronic music, the Phantom I handles it all with finesse. Innovative technologies. Devialet has incorporated several proprietary technologies into the Phantom I to enhance its performance. ADH-registered analog-digital hybrid combines the refinement of analog amplification with the power and compactness of digital amplification. SAM-registered speaker active matching ensures that the speaker's output matches the original recording as closely as possible. HBI-registered heart bass implosion allows the speaker to produce deep bass that you can feel as well as hear. EVO-registered platform keeps the speaker up to date with the latest software upgrades. ACE-registered active co-spherical engine enables the speaker to deliver sound evenly in all directions, creating a wide and immersive soundstage. User experience. In daily use, the Phantom I is a joy. The included remote control is intuitive, allowing for easy volume adjustments and playback control. The speaker's responsiveness is excellent, with minimal latency when streaming over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Additionally, the speaker's design makes it a conversation piece in any room, blending form and function seamlessly. Value and considerations. At a price point of around $2,200, the Phantom I 103dB is a significant investment. However, considering its exceptional sound quality, innovative technology, and striking design, it offers substantial value for audiophiles and design enthusiasts alike. It's not just a speaker, it's an experience that elevates your music listening to new heights. Final thoughts? The Devialet Phantom I 103dB is a remarkable achievement in audio engineering. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and unparalleled sound quality makes it a standout choice for anyone seeking a premium wireless speaker. Whether you're an audiophile, a casual listener, or someone who appreciates fine design, the Phantom I delivers on all fronts. If you're interested in experiencing the Devialet Phantom I 103 dB for yourself, click the link below for the best price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.